Hello everyone, I am Tarun Sai. I am from VelTech Rangarajan Dr. Sekuntala R&D Institute of Science and Technology. Now me and my batchmates are going to explain about our minor project. We completed this project under the guidance of Miss R. Sumati ma'am. My batchmates are Abhiram and Varshit. Now let's go into our project. This is our agenda, and next look into about the abstract. Color identification is the classification of an image into different groups. Many researchers are wiped out the world of image segmentation using clustering. There are different methods, and one among the four most popular methods is K-means clustering algorithm. K-means clustering is an unsupervised algorithm, and it won't be segment the interest area from the background. Before applying the K-means algorithm, first partial stretching enhancements is applied to the image to enhance the standard of the image. Now let's look into the introduction of the project. Introduction. Color identification is one of the most used methods to classify the pixels of an image correctly in decision-oriented application. It divides an image into sort of discrete regions, such as the pixels have high similarity in each region and high contrast between regions, and make them into clusters. It is the most valuable tool in many fields, including healthcare, pattern recognition, and it is mainly used in traffic areas. There are different techniques for image segmentation like threshold-based, edge-based, cluster-based, neural network-based. Image processing deals with manipulation of digital images through a computer. Image processing is the appliance of signal processing techniques to do main of the two-dimensional signals like photographs or video. The main aim of the project is to segregate the image based on the required color using K-means clustering algorithm, which clusters the pixels into different groups. It can be utilized in various applications of medical and smart technologies. Now my fellow teammate Abram will explain about the methodologies.
Here we will be using the clustering the pixel intensities of RGB image. It is an image process of separating colors into the image. These are the hex codes of every color that we give as an input. Here the directory file is images. Here we import the every image that we have stored in the directory file of the input. So what will happen here is we have to sample image.jpg is a file that we have extracted from the desktop. Here red, green and blue respectively we will treat these mn pixels as our data points, and the clusters, these are the clusters that I have mentioned ahead of time. Now we need to import the libraries like NumPy, Pandas, OpenCV and cluster library, and we load the image and we convert the image into an array using OpenCV. So the output will be from converting BGR to RGB. OpenCV then it reads in BGR format, so we need to convert it from BGR to RGB. So we use the code BGR to RGB in the plot IMShow image, and then we reshape the image. From the reshaping we require an RGB pixel intensity. For every color we demonstrated in the input section, we give it and mention it in the above code, so it specifies the color that are required and it will display the specified color which are constituting in it. And then implementing we can fix number of clusters as well, so we can find the elbow point for simplicity firstly, and clusters fine, and we can fit the image. By this we can determine the color and we can extract the color from the images that we have given in the input section. And the implementation will be explained by my fellow teammate Varshit.
Hi, myself K. Varshit, and now I am going to explain about architecture diagram. From seeing this architecture diagram, from input image, it will be classified into two divided parts. One is conversion of BGR to RGB, and another one is conversion of grayscale. By using K-means clustering algorithm, we can define the RGB values with hex code pie chart, and it will also segregate the image by RGB colors, and it will classify the colors into 4 different types. Now I am going to tell about the conclusion of our project. These are outputs of our project. From this project, we used the K-means clustering algorithm to extract the majority colors from image. Then we used the RGB colors of to identify the image from a collection that we have to color in them. The data was collected and trained using the machine learning algorithm. The output will be shown. Thank you. These are the references we have taken from, and this is our poster presentation. Thank you.